Good morning and welcome for my class. Today I am going to continue the same chapter 6 adjectives, comparison of adjectives. Next point, that is there are some irregular adjectives. Now what are irregular adjectives? They form a different comparative and different superlative degree. Example I have given: good, better, best, many, more, most, etc. We need to know certain points when we are dealing with comparison of adjectives. That is note 1. The definite article. When I deal with article chapter, I shall tell you what is definite article. You will be learning in that. Definite article is the. This the is always used when we write superlative degree. The highest, the is used. Second is, next to note, certain comparatives are used only as positives. We won't be able to use as using than at the back. Comparative degree we use than at the back, but these particular adjectives are used only as positives. Example, upper, utter, elder, hinder, inner, etc. There are many more. Next is the comparative adjectives ending in or. We have already come across in the previous class, are followed by preposition to. Regarding the preposition usage also, as I told you for article, you will be having a topic of preposition. At that time you will learn detailedly about the preposition. Now to is the preposition here. So what happened? Comparative adjectives ending in or, they are followed by to. Example I have given: prior to, senior to, junior to, superior to, inferior to, all this etc. Then again, there are some comparatives. Around 5 comparatives are there. They are only as positive adjectives used. They are interior, exterior, ulterior, major, minor. These are the adjectives, comparative adjectives. It is always used only as positive adjectives. It looks like comparative adjectives, but it is a comparative adjective but used as only positive adjectives. Next is later and latest. When you come across further, all this. So to show the difference between, I am telling you, later and latest, it denotes the time, denoting the time. And later, another, double T-E-R, and last, later and last, denoting the position, denotes position. Then further, F-A-R-T-H-E-R, further, denotes something more distance, further. And again, F-U-R-T-H-E-R, that is further. Further denotes something additional, further. And next is nearest. When we say nearest, nearest denotes distance, whereas next denotes position. Elder and eldest are used only for the persons of the same family. Which one? Elder and eldest. They are used only for the persons of the same family. But whereas older and oldest are used to both persons as well as things. Now the part 1, again, interchange of the degrees of comparison. This is mainly very important for the higher classes. Actually, when we deal with adjectives, so far for juniors and medium level, but this mainly for the higher classes, because At times question used to come, positive degree to change into comparative degree without changing the meaning of the sentence. So that category comes here. Now, how to change the degree of comparison of an adjective in a sentence without changing the meaning of the sentence. If you, in English, if you put the words here and there, the meaning itself will change. But here you have to be careful about it. It is, the superlative degree goes, you know it already, ST, EST, we are using most. These are the usage of superlative degree. And using the definite article there before the superlative adjective. That we have already dealt, and same thing. And next, comparative should have more than or ER added, comparative degree, and then is followed, and should be followed by, in the higher level, any other or most other. Examples will be given by me. Again you see an unrestricted comparative degree. There are unrestricted comparative degree and restricted comparative degree. Now what is unrestricted comparative degree? Should have any other. And restricted comparative degree should have, restrictive comparative degree should have most other. So these are the different usage of restricted comparative adjectives and unrestricted comparative adjectives. Example I have given, he is cleverer than any other boy in the class. This is called unrestricted comparative. He is cleverer than most other boys in the class. That is restricted comparative. You must try to understand the difference between. He is the cleverest boy in the class. It is unrestricted superlative degree. He is one of the cleverest boys in the class. That is restricted superlative degree. So I am giving all these examples to make you understand. But you will be able to have more exercises as I used to repeat saying. You have to refer your textbook also. In case you come across again doubts, and there to clear in a separate manner. Thank you, and to continue, have a short break. I shall come back to continue the rest.